IMA staff, myself, Sarla Chand, and Ann Varghese, were at a meeting at the Hotel Montana on neglected tropical diseases, which is a program that we do in Haiti. 6 of us were walking through the lobby, and as we were walking past the front desk, suddenly we heard a noise. By the time my head got around the word earthquake, the entire building collapsed on top of us. There were 5 of us in one small area that was about 5 foot by 8 foot by about 3 foot high. It was completely dark. It was very clear to all of us that we were not going to be rescued. We knew that no one was going to get to us, and we also knew that Haiti, Port-au-Prince, was probably in really bad shape. And I think we were just all in a bit of shock at that moment. But it was very clear that somehow, miraculously, we had survived. That was around 5 o'clock on Tuesday night. We had no food, there was no light. And during that time, there were definitely times when we sat together and we said prayers. There's probably only 2 things I really thought about, and that was my wife and my kids. Thursday night, we had been under all this rubble for about 50 hours. And it was probably around close to 7. Sarla goes, "I hear something. I hear voices." All of a sudden, I could see people, and they were shouting, "What's your name? Who are you?" And I remember, shouting back, "My name is Rick Santos, and we've been underground for 55 hours." I remember talking to him, but I don't remember why I was talking to him. It was just maybe so happy to be out. The first thing I did was they said, "Do you want to make a phone call?" And I'm like, "Yes, I'd like to call my wife." And I remember talking to my wife and telling her I'm out. It was a very emotional moment for me, just to talk to my wife for the first time and realize I was really out. And I look at my situation now, and I look at the situation in Haiti, and my heart really goes out to the people of Haiti, the suffering that they've gone through. So much has been lost. For me, some really important things have come out of all of this experience. I think one is the commitment of IMA World Health to helping the people of Haiti. The recovery is going to be led by Haitians, and we need to work together very closely with them in rebuilding this part of their country.